Rocker switch terminals on Tecumseh 10 horsepower hm100, L3, 2 wires are green, brown, black. What color wires go to which numbers?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. What is engine on? Need model number of the application. Engine has no rocker switch, it will be part of the installation. We'll need to find diagram of unit.
PowerBack 5 kW PowerBack generator, purchased new in 1999 from Lowe'w Home Improvements. It has a Tecumseh model hm100 159409P, engine family WTPXS.3582BA It is a manual start and has rocker switch on engine.
Green in the center, black and brown on each end. If switch is backward, reverse the black and blown.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.